In this video, I'm just trying to show you how I'm going to use my microcontroller development board that I built from scratch. I'm just trying to show you how different functionality you can use with this board. Basically, with this board, you can interface any kind of device, just any actuator. You can connect any interface like LCD. You can connect with any, like in this case, this one is a seven segment display. It has got like 8 digits. So basically, and you can also connect sensor to it in order to measure the temperature. As at the moment, you can see that I'm trying to program the board using Atmega164 IDE. So basically, it's a environment development software that you can download from the website for free. So basically, like in this one, you can see that in this project is basically what I'm doing. I'm designing, I'm building something like stopwatch, like a chrono. They call it chronometer in the French. So basically, it's like a timer. You can start timer. At the moment when you press the reset push button, the time starts. It can count up to 2 million, because you can see it's how many digits? 8 digits. So it can count up to the million because you can reset it. But you can see now when I started, it's not really accurate, because you can see the second is going too slow basically. Then at the same time, I'm using my digital oscilloscope in order to show you, to check the frequency of the crystal connected to the microcontroller. At the moment, I have a 16 megahertz crystal. I'm trying to compare my time with the real time from basically an application that I downloaded from the net, and I'm trying different value. I'm testing the counter, because normally you need to load out. This is in the screen you can see OCR1 output compare counter, output compare register 1A. I'm trying to load different value at the same time. I'm trying to debug the software, so I'm running debugger. I'm running a debugging mode, so I can read exactly to see what is going on. So basically, this is just is something. I'm trying to show you many stuff at the same time. Basically, checking the frequency of the crystal using oscilloscope, debugging the system, testing the interrupt, because that push button, the yellow push button, when you press that push button, basically you generate an interrupt. It's a pin change interrupt. When you press that push button, you generate interrupt. So basically, so now I change the value of the value that I have loaded in the output compare register. So every time that register counts up to its maximum value, it is reset up to 0 and restart again. This is how timer work in a microcontroller. But you can see the frequency is still the time is still, the timer, the delay is still long, because you can see this is not the rate of second. That is taking long, and this push button just to reset the system. If I reset it, if I press it, you can see the microcontroller reset, and I'm gonna change it again. So basically, yes, I'm gonna load another value. Now I'm trying to change it to, what can I put? I'm changing it to what? Let me check something. I wanna try like 5,000. So 5,000. This is the value that I worked out, the value that I measure from my frequency. Because I don't know, if you don't know exactly what I'm doing, you can go in a data sheet. You're gonna see in this data sheet. If you go to page, what page? This is the data sheet. Now you can see. Yeah. So basically, just troubleshooting it. Good. So basically, it's a little bit slow. You can see that 4, it's probably 5, 6. So I'm keep trying different. I'm gonna try another value. I'm gonna load out another value just to show you how you can troubleshoot anything with a timer when the timer is not exactly giving you the value, the digital value, because this is a little bit slow. Because 17, but the frequency of the crystal is still the same. Basically what I'm using is, because in order to interface the microcontroller with any external, I'm using SPI, which is a serial peripheral interface. SPI, serial peripheral interface. Basically is another type of serial communication. Basically I'm using a microcontroller. I'm using the microcontroller in my board as a master, and another microcontroller from the 7-segment display. In this 7-segment display, there is another microcontroller called Max7219. Yeah, so that's the idea. If you have any question, please, you can ask me, or if you like the video, please